Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which union ministry launched the PM Swanidhi scheme, which completed 6 years of implementation on June 1st, 2026? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. In June 2026, President Draupadi Murmu approved the appointment of five new judges to the Supreme Court. Following these appointments, what did the working strength of judges in the Supreme Court rise to? Correct answer is option D, 37. Which Indian state signed a memorandum of understanding with the German state of Thuringia for cooperation in technology, skill development, startups, and life sciences? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. Under which operation did the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence seize over 24 kg of narcotics in Kerala in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Operation Chakravyuh. Who assumed charge as the 20th Commander in Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Vineet McCarthy. Which football club won the Women's FA Cup 2026? Right answer is option D, Manchester City. Where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah chair the 73rd plenary session of the Northeastern Council in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Shillong, Meghalaya. Which Indian state has rediscovered the rare dragonfly species Gynacantha cassiaca after nearly 110 years? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country signed a memorandum of understanding with India in May 2026 to strengthen the supply chain for critical minerals and rare earth elements? Correct answer is option C, United States. Which division under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the Vyoma Innovation Challenge in June 2026 to promote multilingual edge AI solutions? Right answer is option B, Digital India Bhashini Division. At the 22nd Asian Under 20 Athletics Championships 2026 held in Hong Kong, how many total medals did India win? Correct answer is option D, 19 medals. In which Indian state was the first confirmed scientific evidence of the lizard genus Messalina in India, Messalina bishnoi, discovered? Correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. Which person associated with the Competition Commission of India passed away in May 2026 and was its first chairperson? Correct answer is option A, Dhanendra Kumar. Which Gulf country has officially implemented the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement with India effective from June 1st, 2026? Right answer is option A, Oman. Which national park launched its Eco Shop to empower local artisans and women's self help groups? Right answer is option B, Kaziranga National Park. Under which article of the Constitution did the Supreme Court recognize timely emergency medical care as an integral part of the right to life in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Article 21. On which date was World Bicycle Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, June 3rd. Which port secured the top rank in the dry bulk cargo category in the Logistics Port Performance Index for financial year 2024-25? Right answer is option C, Paradeep Port Authority, Odisha. Where was the first in person technical meeting of the BRICS Disaster Risk Reduction Working Group held from June 3rd to June 5th, 2026? Right answer is option D, Puri, Odisha. Which countries were elected by the United Nations General Assembly in June 2026 as non permanent members of the United Nations Security Council? Correct answer is option D, all the above: Austria, Kyrgyzstan, Portugal, Zimbabwe, and Trinidad and Tobago. Which missile did DRDO and the Indian Air Force successfully flight test from Chandipur, Odisha in June 2026, and what type of missile is it? Right answer is option B, Rudram 2 air to surface missile. Which missile or system did the Indian Army test in Jodhpur, Rajasthan in June 2026 to enhance its intelligence gathering and surveillance capabilities? Correct answer is option C, Divyastra Mk1. Who became the youngest Indian female player to win the WTT feeder women's singles title held in Pristina, Kosovo? Right answer is option A, Divyanshi Bhaumik. Where did the Vice President of India, C.P. Radhakrishnan, inaugurate the women led Siri Matrushri Industrial Park? Right answer is option D, Beltangadi, Karnataka. At the Under 17 Asian Wrestling Championships 2026 held in Da Nang, Vietnam, how many medals did the Indian women's team win in total? Correct answer is option A, 10 medals. Which country won the men's Under 18 Hockey Asia Cup 2026 title? Correct answer is option A, India. Which Indian company secured a 70 million US dollar marine services contract for Argentina's first liquefied natural gas export project? Right answer is option B, Adani Ports. Who was appointed as the next Vice Chief of the Air Staff of the Indian Air Force in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Ashutosh Dikshit. Which country recently launched Operation Nasr against Israel? Correct answer is option B, Iran. Which state government announced the launch of the Yuva Shakti Bharosa card scheme to provide financial assistance to unemployed youth? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which state launched an initiative named Stree Ride to promote women's safety and economic self reliance? Correct answer is option D, Telangana. Which country topped the medal tally at the first World Yogasana Championship 2026 held in Ahmedabad? Correct answer is option D, India. Who has been named by NASA as the mission commander for the upcoming Artemis 3 mission scheduled for 2027? Correct answer is option A, Randy Bresnik. Which city became the first in India to be integrated under the Easy Connect flight model for international travel? Right answer is option A, Varanasi. Which country's football team won the SAF Women's Championship 2026 title in June 2026? Right answer is option B, India. In which state is the Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary declared India's 100th Ramsar site in June 2026 located? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. According to the SIPRI report released in June 2026, what rank did India secure among the world's top military spenders? Right answer is option C, fifth rank. Which state became India's 36th state to implement the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, West Bengal. At which National Zoological Park did Union Minister Kirtivarthan Singh launch the NZP Sathi app and new self ticketing kiosks? Correct answer is option C, National Zoological Park, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 52nd G7 summit in June 2026, which was attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Right answer is option B, France. Which state's police launched Operation Milap to trace missing persons? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. How much financial assistance did India announce it would release to the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian refugees in June 2026? Right answer is option D, 2.5 million US dollars. Which state launched India's first judiciary integrated wildlife crime management system named Hawk in June 2026? Correct answer is option D, Kerala. What is the name of India's first WhatsApp based AI advisory service launched for oilseed farmers in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Oilseeds Kisan Mitra. Who chaired the 11th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Centre in New Delhi on June 11, 2026? Right answer is option C, Narendra Modi. Which rank did India secure among 163 countries in the Global Peace Index 2026 released in June 2026? Right answer is option B, 127th rank. Who won the men's singles title at the French Open Tennis Grand Slam 2026? Right answer is option C, Alexander Zverev. Who has been named as South Korea's second female prime minister in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Han Seong-suk. Where did Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurate India's 7th Regional Meteorological Center in June 2026? Right answer is option D, Jammu. Who is the author of the memoir titled The Second Orbit Belief of a Man Dreams of 1.4 Billion Hearts, published by Penguin Random House India? Right answer is option A, Shubhanshu Shukla. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.